Our protocol requires participants to experience mass customization before taking a survey and uses the survey data to test relationships between consumer responses.
The protocol allows consumer data to be applied to structured equation modeling and latent means analysis to obtain sophisticated statistical data and to increase the validity of the results.
Our study will benefit research investigating the effects of retail or marketing technology on consumer responses.
Although testing several invariance tests such as configural, metric, and scalar invariance may be difficult, we advise patients and following this procedure very carefully to increase the quality of the data. Demonstrating the procedure will be Hee-Yoon Kim, a graduate student from my laboratory.
Use an online survey to recruit female consumers who have an online apparel shopping experience. Send an invitation email to qualifying participants that includes information regarding the purpose of the study and an assurance of the confidentiality of the responses. Send guidelines to those survey participants who agree to take part in a survey showing how to create trench coats using the customization program. Participants who agree to take part in the survey start the survey procedure. They receive a link that is connected to the eMASS customization program in an existing shopping website and are asked to imagine